I'm here in Las Vegas, City of Lights, to unveil the latest breakthrough in camcorder technology, Panasonic's cutting-edge X900. This breakthrough camcorder delivers professional quality video thanks to advances in Panasonic's 3MOS system. The X900 features 3 image sensors that capture red, green and blue for incredible colour reproduction. The big innovation for 2012 is the pixel shift technology, which allows the X900 to capture video at 4 times the resolution of Full HD. That's the same resolution as cutting-edge cinematic cameras, and it means that the Full HD video the X900 produces is incredibly crisp and clear, with 5.1 surround sound too. All that additional resolution also means that the X900 can record 3D movies in full high definition just by adding a conversion lens. And you can even watch those 3D movies back in 3D without the need for glasses on the special 3.5-inch touchscreen. Among the many cutting-edge features of the X900 is the hybrid image stabilization, which eliminates the role of walking and delivers rock-solid shots every time. It works in wide-angle mode and even when you're maxing out the 23 times intelligent zoom. The X900 really comes into its own when the sun goes down. This incredibly fast f1.5 Leica Decomar lens performs brilliantly, capturing crisp images and amazing colours, even in low light conditions. This cold shoe allows you to add accessories like video lights or external microphones, and with a manual ring and a vast array of controls accessible through the touchscreen, there's no end to the creative potential of the X900.